just, I'm doing what you said. With HBA, can I cover rental properties out of state?
No. At a discount. How about that? And it's not the properties. Please understand. Okay. In any of these supplements, the member is the member and spouse. It's not a true business plan. It's a legal plan that gives some business coverage. So those properties aren't covered, right? The business itself isn't covered. It allows us to do business-related legal work for the member. If they want a true business plan, they need the Essentials Plus or Pro, where the member in the Essentials Plus and Pro is actually the business. Psychology-wise here, right? Mm-hmm. If you look at the application, if I'm buying the legal plan and a supplement, right? Do I ask anywhere on there for the business name, the business tax ID? No, I ask for the member's name and the member's Social Security. But when I'm applying for a Essentials Plus and Pro, who do I ask for on that application? The business name, the business tax ID, because the member is the business. So it's not that the language when you said would those properties be covered? Those properties, if they're business, right? It's not they're covered. It means the member is able to ask business-related questions on behalf of their business, right? But there's no real like we don't have trial defense for the business, right? We don't have IRS business